Hello YouTube, back at it again. There she stands. Got the wheel caps off because we're gonna do some welding on Monday and Tuesday. The rocker panels. But for now, I was cleaning, and I want to take you with me on this one. You can see the dirt and the groove. Needed a little bit there. There's dirty. Some sort of stickage. Stick spill. I don't know exactly what they put in it. I'm gonna try to clean it with some dinges. Un momento, por favor. I got myself a very long brush. So this one. Right, get in between is you guys. Look at that. See, there's some sticky goo in it. Un momento, por favor. Don't brush it, guys. There's a lot of shit coming out. Okay, un momento, por favor. Oh, guys, back at it again. I got the green leaf algae out. To put some. I don't know what this is. See? Some sort of black goo. Prime it out with a small that I had also here. Down. Gotta blow it out with a compressor. First I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use some sort of kit. I don't know. Don't know how, don't know why. The best idea to put kit there. Knocks out the water. I got this one out. The other side also a little bit. Just there. Did you see it? Okay, I'm gonna get some compressed air. Un momento, por favor. Hello YouTube, back at it again, more cleaning. Dangerous, probably. Hey, kiddo, rustig. Years and years. Clean your rubbers. Now I have to use compressed air. Also, the moisture is getting in. Un momento, por favor. Well, guys, got myself some compressed air. Goed jongen. Dus?
Want ik ben bij mijn moeder, hè?
Bij de jongen. Un momento, por favor. Must say, it doesn't look that bad. Pleased. Un momento. Pretty pleased with this also. Maar er zit een randje aan de onderkant. Cannot get it. There's still some green there on the underside. So I have to make some sort of device to get under there. So un momento, por favor. Back again, other side. Un momento, por favor. A little bit of compressed air. Un momento, por favor. Yeah, it's the whole way rear window. Claro. Un momento, por favor. I cleaned the whole unit a little bit. This hood is already completely ruined. I got a clay bar laying around. Ooh la la. Un momento. Well, doesn't look that bad. Un momento. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Work in progress.